We just started the live. Most people who are going to see this are just the people who are watching the recording. So thank you for watching the recording. But let's let the live chat kick in, shall we? We are today. I worked on a text to speech update where we use a different service completely now. We use AWS for our voices. Hey guys, there's everybody. Got the chat coming in. Let me run this real quick. You guys ready? So let me go to Bimbot. Start kicking this into gear.
Thanks so much for the great stream. I hope to see you again real soon.
It's doing the test. That's funny. Yeah, I need to remove that. So that was our new custom voice bot just then that you heard. Let me start up my YouTube authentication stuff. Allow. And there we go. I think it's about to initiate. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Grab both default messages from both YouTube platforms. Let's see, will Bimbot. There we go. There we go. Baller. Bro is making bank. Hey guys. So there's Bimbot running. What was that? A donation? What was that? Why did it grab that? What was that? Did someone send a... Is this a donation? Oh, did someone send a donation through Stream Elements or something? I don't even know what this is. How are you guys doing? We're working on the Bimbot. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Thank God. Fun Dips, thank you for the $1.99. I don't know if I care for the message, but lucky for me, it crashed. It crashed. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this. TTS has no attribute text to speech. Yeah, that probably makes sense. Yeah, text to speech. There we go. And then let me get rid of that. Thank you, Fun Dips. This is a new voice system, voice chat system I got going. Why is that? What the heck? Do you see the red? Do you see the little red squiggly line underneath the character where my... Why is that there? What are you having trouble with here? Unexpected indent. Oh, up here. Oh, I commented. I didn't mean to comment it out. Whoops. Okay, there we go. So it crashed. Let me run it again. Let me get some music going, shall I? Let me just get that. There we go. I'll turn that down. Let that be in the background. Okay, let me run it again. So right now what I'm doing is I'm signing into both my main channel on YouTube and my gaming channel. I have it like bring up an authentication thing so you can sign into your account so the bot has access to your YouTube accounts, obviously. There we go. So it's kicking back into gear. I'm hoping my voice chat thing is not gonna play that. I'm hoping. Hey, I'm hoping. It might. It might. I think we're good. Fun Dips, thank you though. Can we get confirmation? Was that on... Uh-oh. I'm not sure where this print is coming from. This print statement. So this is Bimbot. Everyone say hi to Bimbot. This is Bimbot right here. Over here, the black chat is Restream. So we're working on Bimbot this moment. Bimbot. You know what I should do is I should let people have custom icons. I should let the creator put a custom icon next to the platform. So you know how Restream forces you for it to either be the YouTube chat icon or the YouTube icon or the Twitch icon over there. I should make it that you can do custom icons per platform, you know? So that would be cool. But there's Bimbot working. Does anyone want to send a super chat message? I think the voice chat, I only need to confirm this once, but it should work now. It should work. Just please don't be inappropriate. Please, please, please. I could have it run through like maybe like some kind of repo, like censored words dictionary or something. I don't know.
I missed my child's birth to be here.
Thank you, Memer. So that is Amazon. I set up an AWS thing to work with Amazon's text to speech. There's like 8 different voices it randomly chooses from.
Poop.
Did you just say poop, Nick? You just said poop? Thank you. How do you guys like the where the donations, like the chat donations? You guys like the format of those? I think it looks pretty. I think it looks real pretty. Your audio is low. How's that possible? Do you mean the text-to-speech audio? There's
Hey,
no way.
Jaden, I don't usually do any super chats, but I just wanted to give this as appreciation for all the hard work you've done. You're awesome. Dude.
Thank you so much, Dat1. I greatly appreciate that. I hope... Does everyone... I mean, does that look good? Does everyone enjoy that? I think it pops out real well.
I'm broke now.
Thank you, Memer. I'm liking I love that was like a foreign. I think that was like there's like different accents and all that. I think that was like Indian. I'm pretty sure. Amazon has like a bunch of accents you can add.
I'm at Grandma's funeral.
Oh geez, Noah. I need to fix it that it shows a 2 decimal float value. So it says 2.0. You see that next to Noah's. And let me add, I need to add the $, you know? So let's go to YouTube real quick.
I own a musket for home defense liberal.
Thank you, Fun Dips. Anyone have any comments on how the donations look? I think they look good, right? So YouTube. Where does it say tipped? Control tipped. Tipped. What? What? Oh, this would be under chat updater. Tipped. And then the dollar amount, which I could put right there and right there. All right, we got the $. Next time we restart Bimbot, that will update with the $. Right now, it still doesn't have the $, but. Jaden, do you pee upwards or downwards? That's such a great question. I don't.
Hello, from the future, XD.
XD, thank you, Aiden, for the 10. So, like, is that... One thing I don't know if it does is I don't think it converts any currency. So, like, let me go to the chat.
How do I donate less than $2?
How do I donate less than $2? I don't think you can with Super Chat. YouTube doesn't let you send text without it being at least $2. Guitar Guy 64. Thank you so much. Jaden, you want some dad jokes, says Blizz. Heck yeah. Rate my username. Fall off ladder. Ouch. 1 to 74. That's so specific. Fall off ladder. Ouch. I like it. Maybe a good 60 out of 74. I don't know why some of the letters, like starts of some of your words are capitalized and then others aren't. Like off and ladder weren't capitalized. Jaden, someone farted. Oh man. I'm sorry guys. Yeah, I don't have it. I don't have a preventative for that in the chat yet. Okay. So I need to check Stream Elements. So let's go to Stream Elements. So I'm gonna try something. Can someone... Oh man, how's this gonna work? What is this coming from? Is there a print statement somewhere? Right here. Here it is, yeah. So I don't think this is running. Yeah, it is. What am I talking about? So let me go to chat. Let me go to Stream Elements tip. So let me do this. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna cut it out, and I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna say says. We don't really need it to say. We're just gonna have it do just the message. And then chat, update chat box, donation. Let me go to one of these real quick. So that is the username. That's weird. I need ChatGPT to format this for me real quick. ChatGPT. Format this. I need to see what it looks like. I need to see all the different things. Okay. So we're getting these messages, donation from, so that's just a print statement. I guess we can do that. Alright, alright. Let's run it again. Let's run Bimbot again and see how it turns out. So we're gonna run it. Here we go. Rerunning. Oh, I gotta shut it down first. Shut it down, Otto! It's only a spike. It's only a spike. Continue. Continue. Logging into the gaming. Alright, would anyone be willing to send a Stream Elements tip, please? So we can confirm that that's working. And so the link to that should be in the description on YouTube and on Twitch for all my Twitch gang, my Twitch squad. That's like below the video in the About section, I believe. There's a donations tip button. So I would greatly appreciate it to see if that works. Please tell us when you're going to go on a road trip again, please. I'm hungry. Can we go to McDonald's? We might do a BeamNG video today, potentially.
You need some mods. People keep spamming.
True. What was that? What was that on? What was that on? Can someone tell me what that was on? Anyone know where that donation just came from? Was that Stream Elements or was that the gaming channel? No, it was the gaming channel. Thank you to he for the $1.99. appreciate you. Yeah, it was YouTube. I might just do it. I'll just do it. Let me do a super chat message to my, or a, where is it? Where's my elements tipping thing? Here we go. What should I write to myself? Here. $1. I love your videos, Jaden. You are my hero. Alright, $1. I'm gonna log in, have to do my PayPal authentication. Alright, I think I just sent it. Oh, you are logging into this account of the seller for Burgess. Please change your oh, I can't be the person. I can't send myself a donation. That's stupid. Okay, well now I'm upset. Guys, I need someone to send me a Stream Elements thing. I need to test this thing. I can't do it myself because it's my own PayPal. It doesn't let me. How many kids do you have in your basement? I should make it that if it detects the same message twice, it doesn't post it. That would be very easy to implement. I could literally just do this. With? Where is it? Let's see.
Love your videos, man. Keep it up, dude.
Thank you, Sophie. $1.99.
Hey, your Beam Drive videos are the best.
Thank you, Joe. Where are these coming from? Oh, you guys are sending... I need you guys to send them through the Stream Elements, please. Thank you, Sophie and Joe. Guys, I need to test this. The text-to-speech in the description. The Stream Elements link here. Let me do this. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna put it in the chat so you guys can see it. Alright, you ready? There. I would greatly appreciate, I'll do this on both channels. I would greatly appreciate, oh, I'm on the wrong channel. Switch account. I would greatly appreciate if someone can send a tip through Stream Elements. That would mean a lot. It doesn't let me pin it on my main channel. That's stupid. And then Twitch. There you guys go. Bam. I just need someone to send it on I need someone to send it on through Stream Elements, please. Hello? Hello? Can you guys hear me? You guys are struggling to hear me? There, I turned it up. I turned down the music. Because I don't know. I think we might do a BeamNG stream later. Why are you scripting? What are you scripting? The chat bot, the text-to-speech bot. It's the point of the stream. Custom. This is a chat bot we've been working on. We're gonna sell it to Stream Elements for $10 million, or Streamlabs, or Restream somebody. We're gonna sell it for $10 million, and I'm gonna be a multi-millionaire. Yeah, I really got to fix that spam thing. I could just easily make it that if it detects the same message, so remove custom emojis. We don't really have an append. I guess I have to do it in the main.
Testing for Stream Elements. Smile.
It worked. Why did Sea Cows not say anything? Minecraft, GameStop. I use the blue credit card, is that yours or dad's? Doesn't matter. We can get infinite diamonds. Why did it not run his? But thank you so much also to Ian here. I gotta. When calling this voice does not support the selected engine standard. Oh, okay. I see. TTS. It didn't like... Who did it not like? It didn't like Kevin. Okay. Kevin has been removed. The voice Kevin has been removed. Thank you so much to CCow. Uncle, I bought every one Minecraft at GameStop. I used the blue credit card. Is that yours or dad's? Doesn't matter. Now we can get infinite diamonds. Thank you, CCow12. And you helped fix our chat thing. So the voice Kevin that it tried to give to make it say, it didn't work. So I removed Kevin's voice. And then Stream Elements worked. How about that? That was awesome. And that was through Stream Elements. Thank you very much to who I think that was Ian. Is that right? Oh. Oh. I'm trying to find it. Yes, Ian. Testing for Stream Elements. Thank you so much, Ian. That means a whole lot. So I'm glad that works. Okay. So there we go. Besides the one hiccup with CCow's thing, which actually was working, it's just the voice name didn't work for through Amazon. Can I get a member shout out in live streams like the perk says? Of course, Nathan. Everyone shout out to Nathan. Shout out to Nathan. Oh, it did disappear. And that is because of OBS. It's still running. I just have to refresh OBS. I don't really know what to do about that. I could ask ChatGPT, in OBS, my overlay sometimes disappears, though the overlay outside of OBS is still working. Any fix for this? Let's see what it says. It's like, no. No, there isn't. God, it's like, it did say review. Sometimes toggling the visibility, yeah, but I don't want to do that. Run OBS as administrator. Okay. Alright. Night Troop. So what I gotta do, YouTube tips. So this is what I need to do. If I need to fix this spam, man. So while is not last message. Let me do this. What could I do? I could say or not message, last message. Well, I guess it's actually grabbing the key. I don't really have access to that. I could go into chat updater. No, I can't do that either. Let me think about this. Because I really compare it to this key. And what do I use as the key? ID key is a channel ID, and then the is the message. We could do it grabs just the whole thing. So I could get the display message or something. I could do something like, it could be the username comma message. So it could be, that could maybe work. I actually could do that. So if it's donation, so we could do this. We could say if the text does not equal and then we go to, what is it? I guess the temp last message, and then get that, and we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna do and user does not equal their display name, then you can do that. Else we're gonna do print error preventing message spam, and then we can print the frickin' the user, so I can see who I can frickin' ban if it's very consistent. And then donation, I guess we can let people spam donations. I mean, I suppose there's no problem with that, right? But if it's a message in Bimbot, so it's now going to detect if the username and the last message are the exact same thing, from the same person, same message, it's going to not send it through Bimbot here. It's going to not post it. Yeah. Okay. You know what we could do? Technically, we don't have to even do last message. We could do... that's fine. That's okay. It really doesn't update a lot, but... I actually don't think this is going to work very well, because if it's doing it from the last time it updated, the spam messages next to it aren't going to be removed, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to remove that. I'll just have to work on for messages in recent messages. I could do, here, this is what I'll do. I'll keep it, and then I'm going to keep a counter. So I'm going to do message counter equals 0. And then when it gets through this, we're going to do message count plus equals 1. So there you go. And then we could easily do this. So instead of temp last message, we'll just do recent messages message counter minus 1. We could check and see. We could make an actual definition for this. That's like is last is not last message, previous message spam, I guess. And we'll take the user and the message. So it doesn't have, and then we could just do prev message, I suppose. And then we can compare it there, maybe. No, we could actually just do message and previous message. Okay, so we'll do that. So what it's going to do is we're going to say if is previous message spam, we're going to send in our message, and then recent messages, message counter, and that's it. So now we just set his previous message spam message, recent messages, and then grabs that. And then we also should check if message counter is greater than 0, and then there we go. Else, elif. Well, I guess you know what we could do is we could do this. We could say if we could say if it's less than or equal to 0, then it can send it. Otherwise, yeah, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, all right. We'll see how that does, and then I have to do it up here. So we're gonna say, I'm gonna grab these two things. They go right here. We're gonna say previous user, previous text. Copy both of those. Do new user, new text, and this is going to be previous message, message. So we're going to do return does the new user equal the previous user, and does the new text equal the previous text? And if it does, then we're not going to put it in the chat, which is how that works. Okay, there we go. Let's run it and see me destroy my entire work, because there's probably some if case I'm not thinking of. So let me rerun it. Logging into my main channel. I would love to see you guys, let's see how it does with spamming. So you guys can do some spamming for a little bit. You have full consent from me to spam in the chat on YouTube. It's loading up right now. That's it. That's it. And then I think OBS freaking broke it again. There we go. So it's about to turn back on. There we go. So clearly it's just not working. It sends in. How would that work? If message count. Oh, I'm freaking using the wrong thing. I'm using the wrong index thing. Message counter. It's supposed to be message counter. Whoops. I was using the wrong value to track the message count. Instead of message count, it is message counter. I do need to fix this authentication thing. I need it to memorize and just remember my login credentials. so I don't have to like re-authenticate every single time. All right, it's loading back up again. Let's see. Let's see how it does. All right, it's confirming everything. Let's see how it does. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh, did I freaking miss another thing? Oh my god. Yes, I did. I'm so dumb. I missed another message counter thing. Yeah, it's like, we don't know what message count is. And I'm like, hey, I don't either. So I don't blame you. Gonna frickin' going rabid. Okay, here we go. Gaming. Continue. Allow. Here we go. Alright. It's starting back up. It's starting up. Yeah, spammers suck, says Extra Random. Alright, here we go. It always takes it like 5 seconds. Oh, is OBS not freaking refreshing because they're stupid? Everyone say thanks, OBS. Is it... Wise... Is it actually trying to... Huh. It's like it's working. I can't even tell. I can't tell. Is it because you guys are all spamming? What does that message say? I think it's working. And it's preventing... Okay, so go back to not spamming. So if you guys just go back to... I think... There's no way it's because all of you guys are spamming constantly the same stuff, is it? What is...
Are you kids alright?
You kids alright? Brody. Thank you for the $4.99. I assume, yeah, it's like not, I think it's almost like detecting everything as spam. So YouTube tip. Oh, because I'm supposed to do, I'm sorry, you know what it's doing? It's comparing the same frickin' message. -1. There we go. Yeah, that makes total sense. It's literally, so I don't even know how any of those messages right there are getting through. It was comparing the same message to itself. So it was literally like, yeah, so of course everything was getting marked as spam because it was looking at itself and be like, oh, this is the same message. So, yeah, it's supposed to be the message count -1. Message counter -1 to look at the previous message. So there we go. It's starting back up again. Let's see if that fixes it. Justin. Lethal Conan. It's going to be next Jade and film on the Discord. That's amazing. I love that idea. I want to see it. All right, can we try to do write the same message? It's not like detecting like different spam. So like write the same messages in a row. Huh. Yeah, but those are so I think the reason, if you notice, it's not letting the messages be 2 in a row. Do you see that? And that's kind of what it's checking for. It's checking to see, like, you see how none of these, how much kids, so you guys are copying the same message from each other. So that's different again. But does that make sense to you guys? So it is actually working. you guys are just all copying the same messages from each other, which does obviously mark it as spam. Because I don't want to mark. I could make it. I guess we don't need the same message in a row twice, do we? It doesn't matter who. So we could do this. We could do, instead of doing the, yeah, maybe like what? Forget the user totally. So we could have it if it's like the same message. We could do that. We could do that. That if it's just the same message, forget the person at all. So if someone else says what you just said beforehand, it's not going to let your message print. So like if someone says potato and then you say potato, it's not going to print your message. I guess that's actually reasonable. I mean, you don't need the same message twice in the frickin' chat, you know? But I don't know. Doesn't that allow for... We'll see. We'll see how we feel about that once we... Alright. And also, it only checks the second to latest message. So we'll see. We'll see. It's about to start back up again, guys. Oh, and there goes OBS. Everyone say thanks, OBS. There we go. So what we're seeing here, we're seeing this spam happening, right? What that's doing, but you see how they're not in a row? Oh, look there, though. Potato and potato. And that might have been old messages, that's why. Everyone write potato. Everyone write potato. Every single person write potato. It's not looking like we're getting a single potato next to each other. Am I right about that? Now there's two potatoes on screen, but there's never two potato. Look, it's stopping. It's like, oh wait, right there, but it's spelled. It's like different capitalization. We could do I don't know. So you see, all you guys are saying them differently, and that's why it's marking it not as spam. So I could make it that it makes everything lowercase. YouTube tip. We could do. So yeah, YouTube. We could make it just do everything in lowercase. So I could do, what do you do? String dot. How do you do that? So we could make it that it just makes everything lowercase and then compares it. So I think it's just dot lower. And let's just make sure, just in case it gets the string version. And there we go. Okay. So now, are you ready? We made it that no matter the capitalization of any letter in the string, I'm re-authenticating, so we're about to start it back up again. No matter the capitalization, it compares them in lowercase, which then will make it that any form of potato, capitalized or not, will not be allowed. So, okay. It's cooking. It's cooking right now. It's loading up. I mean, it's definitely going to, like, if you spell it differently, of course it's going to print it. Technically, that's not really spam. So let's see. Yeah. So everyone spell it the proper way for me, but change maybe the capitalization. So you guys, you see, like, that's spelled differently. That's why that's working. Potato? Oh, that was spelled differently. That's why. I think all of these, it's because they're being spelled differently. Yeah, potato. It's spelled potato, guys. Potato. Potato. But it is working. It doesn't look like it. Like, are those potato? I don't know. Was it? See, potato. Potato. I need you guys just to spell potato. I'm not even seeing an instance of this. Potato, potato. That looks like those are different spellings. Unless you guys are using different letters for characters. That might be why. I think it's doing a really good job because I know there's so many more messages that are potato. I see it catching it. I see it catching spam. So, yeah. Potato. Everyone say the word blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Everyone say blue. Let's see how that does. Keep the spams from separate names. Yeah, I know. I'm thinking that too. So you see how hard it's trying? It's and it only does it from the last. I could make it maybe the last 2 messages. What about that? I could make it like it detects it from the last couple messages. So we could do this. We could do that and then -2, but then this would have to be less than or equal to 1. And let's put these in parentheses. So now I've had it. Why is that not liking that? Oh, is it because of... I see. There we go. Okay. So we can make it that it detects the last 2. The last 2 messages. Which could really help as well. Alright. Turn off. Turn on. Next thing I want to do, I'm going to stop with the spam. And baby, let me see it from my Twitch chat. We're going to integrate Twitch. Let's get a round of applause. Let's get a round of freaking applause for that. Let me see it from my Twitch chat. We're integrating Twitch today. Someone said finally. Finally, says Gamer. I know. We got to get Twitch up there. And I could make it that, you know what I should do? I should make it that each message posts a different icon. There we go. Okay, everyone, oh shoot. What did it not like? We had a hiccup. Previous message snippet. Object is not subscriptable. What was the message? Huh? 0, 1. And not that. Why does it not? What? Some message crashed it. I'm not exactly sure what. Was it the word oyster? Kobe. I wonder why that. I think it's just almost like a fluke accident. Well, we could try this. We could say try to do that, and then accept exception. How am I supposed to do this? Control try. Okay. Print error. Couldn't compare messages. And then return false, I guess. All right. Or maybe, no, we'll do false. All right. So I think maybe it was just so fast or something. I'm not really sure what caused it to crash. I'm probably just putting a band-aid over a really bad wound, but whatever. Why did it crash? We may never know. We may never know, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm going to assume it was something it couldn't lowercase, and so that's why it couldn't do it. Like maybe it tried to compare an emoji or something. It's like, I don't know, how are we supposed to lowercase this? Leaked information, emojis can be used as spam, and it doesn't get filtered. Big news, major news. Couldn't compare messages. Couldn't compare messages. It's yeah, something's happening. Something odd is happening. It's each time it's saying it can't compare the messages, which is very strange. All right, well then I don't care. We won't do the latest frickin' messages. How about that? Let's run it again. And then as long as it's maybe like getting the latest one. As long as it's getting maybe the most recent one to not be spam, like 2 words in a row or something, that should be good enough. Technically, that actually doesn't make sense. Like, because like the next one will compare the previous one, and that one will compare the next previous one, you know? So it's like, it should automatically be preventing them. But there you guys go. It's running again. All right, so let's let that go. We confirmed Stream Elements is working, and we confirmed YouTube tips and all that are working. So we have this system. It's good. Right here you can see, everyone do the word blue. B-L-U-E. Capitalize it any way you want. If you do anything more than that, of course, it's going to not detect it as spam. But yeah, it tries really hard to prevent it. I see it. It's saying spam. So that's good. So yeah, if you spell it differently, of course, it's not going to mark it because it's a different word. But so that's good. You can see it preventing it a lot, pretty heavily. See, like that. I wonder if he added a space at the end or something. That's where I wonder if it's more like you have a space at the end. But you see right there. It's doing a pretty good job. I mean, I know it's filtering out a lot of blues. A lot of blues. So that's good. So it grabs the message and then the recent message. And then right here, grabs the display message. Display message. And so if you notice, it's each other like word is spelled differently, so that's why it's allowed. Like those blues, I want to assume there's a space at the end. How about everyone just do the letter B or something? But don't add a space at the end because that like does break the... So I'm going to assume that... I could put quotes around it. or something. I don't know. I don't know. It's not. That's funny. Yeah, I can see. You can see on Restream how much worse it is. So they're spamming like crazy over there. So this is, yeah, this is a success. This is a success. Okay. Okay. So it is time. It is time to integrate Twitch. It's time. It's taken us a month. Is Twitch ready? Is Twitch freaking ready to be fine? Oh, I see people on Twitch doing it. It's not even connected to Twitch. All right, guys. Twitch people, it doesn't even work, okay? So, no reason to spam. It doesn't even detect you on Twitch. But we're going to do it now. We're going to do it now. So, what I need to do is go to Bimbot. So, we're going to add recent Twitch message. This is where we might need to do some like multi-threading or something. We deserve better, Jaden. Listen, Maca bees. I'm working on it, all right? I'm working on it. So for Twitch, it's gonna get, it's supposed to, this is the thing that sucks, is YouTube chat, I can grab previous messages. Twitch doesn't do that. Twitch only lets you grab the latest message, and that's it. So I need to do this multi-threaded, that when it's printing the YouTube chat, simultaneously it's reading the Twitch chat, so by the time it gets through the YouTube chat messages, it's ready to print the Twitch messages. And we have to do multi-threading. So that's no fun. That's an ugly word. Everyone say multi-threading. Multi-threading. That's a very gross word. It's an ugly word. And it's a word that makes me want to, never mind. I can't say it. So, get latest messages. And how long does it do this for? I think I have it set for 5 seconds, which is good. And then it's going to return the messages. How does it append it? Is it appending it? I don't even see it appending it. Where is it? Latest message. Okay, that's weird. If recent messages, what? Oh, I see. So it's adding it. Yeah, right. So it goes here. And then it adds it. All right. Let's all right, we're shutting down. We're going to freaking run Twitch, baby. You guys ready? YouTube, you guys can screw off for a minute. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. That was a joke. I love my YouTube. I love my YouTube kids. My kiddos. I love my kids. I love my kids. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're going to call this recent Twitch messages. So recent recent Twitch messages equals, and then we need to add it, Twitch. So we're gonna do Twitch tip dot get latest messages. I think that's it. We could throw in my username. So the cool thing about Twitch, which is kind of crazy, it doesn't, you don't need to be authenticated to read. I could like grab Ninja's stream right now. It's kind of weird that they like let you do that, but whatever. I don't know. Hey, that's not me. All right. I don't know. We're gonna do Twitch channel names. So we're just gonna get rid of that. So we're gonna go back to Bimbot and do Twitch accounts, and we're just gonna do an array and we'll say official Jaden Williams. Is there anyone? Is there any Twitch stream you guys want me to grab from? Is Ninja streaming right now? Should we literally grab Ninja's chat? Is Ninja? Is he even on? Who's somebody we could grab from? Give me their exact username on Twitch. Ninja is XQC. Is XQC live right now? I need someone. I need someone on Twitch who's live.
People are more willing to give me the benefit of the doubt. Like, say I plowed out a pedestrian in the street.
Twitch has become so weird, man. Godzilla Red on Facebook says. Some funny. Well, that's not how you spell it, for one, so you're already messing me up. But I can grab his to get stuff. Sim Funny. Symfuhny. So there we go. Okay, let's freaking run it, shall we? So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to comment out YouTube, because YouTube does authenticating, and we don't like that. We don't like having to do authentication every 10 seconds. Yeah, we have to add this. Bam, there we go. Run. Okay. Still didn't like it. Fair enough. Get latest messages. I did that, you bimbo. I literally gave it to you. What are you talking about? Why don't you like that? Missing one position required Twitch channel names. I gave it to you, dog. What are you talking about? I know, understand. Twitch accounts. Here, Twitch names equals Twitch accounts. How about that? You happy? Required positional argument Twitch channel names. Type error. So it doesn't like the kind I use. Go to definition. Where? What, do I do a freaking dictionary? Why does it not like that? Why does it not like brackets? Okay, so you just hate me. I gotcha. Okay. Yeah. No, that's cool. It doesn't, it just hates me. It hates who I am. I understand. That's fair. That's reasonable. Multi-threading jump scare. This is not, we're not multi-threading yet. We're not there yet. Twitch accounts. Here, Twitch account names. What is this? Why does it keep crashing? What is? I know. Understand. What you mean? No. I'm giving you parameter. And you do this to me. You shove this in my face like this. And I do what you want. And you know like because why? Because I don't even understand. I actually don't. Here. Oh, because the stupid comment on this one. I see. It was getting called somewhere else. There we go. I don't want you. What did I just run? You don't need to do this, okay, sweetheart? You don't need to do this. Comment that out. We don't need you to authenticate right now. It's okay. Everyone say, YouTube, it's okay. All right, let's see what happens. I don't even know. I don't even know if this is going to work. It just updated. Oh. I think it's scanning. Oh. Oh my god. Is it going to do it? Is it going to print Shadow Trip's message? Is YouTube, is OBS? No. You see it's you see it's scanning messages. So let's go to Twitch. This is Twitch, baby. This is it, scanning it right here. It's happening. It's happening. We really don't need it to freaking do this 30,000 times. I'm probably gonna get like freaking kicked from Twitch doing this. Let me not do that, okay? So I don't know if that's how it's gonna work, but then we need it to, it looks like, so it returns the messages. Right, you know what? I understand why it's not working. We're never printing it to the thing. So we could do this now. So we could do, so let's go to Bimbot. You ready? This is what you're supposed to do. So now we can do for message in recent Twitch messages. And then this is where we would do it. So we would do, let's grab the chat updater. So import chat updater. So we're going to do chat updater dot what's the call that I have? What these call? Update chat box, okay. Twitch, no, Bimbot dot update chat box. So the Twitch, so it's gonna be message, and then we have to do, so recent Twitch messages. So this is how it is. You ready? Chat Twitch tip. Latest message. What was it printing? I need to see that real quick. Let us run it again. We will run again. We will run again. Everyone say, we will run again. We will run again. Let's see what it's printing in the logs, and then I can display it from there. We will run again. Okay, so username is 0. Message is 1. Got it. Bam. Done. Thank you. That's all I needed. You ready? So we can say user is the first box, and then the message is the second box. And then I guess for now we're just going to do false, that there's no donations. All right, you ready? This might work. This might freaking work. This might be the first time we get Twitch working on this freaking chat. Oh my god, I'm so excited. None type. Float argument must be a string or a real number. I don't understand what you mean. What do you mean? What do I don't know. I don't know. Not none type. What does that even? I don't know what you mean. I don't know. I don't know. Everyone say I don't know. Go to definition. Oh, it's supposed to be 0. That's right. I forgot that I updated it so that it doesn't take. It just takes 0 as the donation amount if there's nothing. All right. Here we go. Once it gets done with this, after 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, we have frickin' Twitch integrated. We have Twitch. We have Titch integrated. It does it right now. It does it every 5 seconds. But I don't know. Oh, does it not forget the last? I don't know. That is so cool. This is Twitch right here. Frickin' Twitch. How about that? How about that? Rolder says, I was here. Yeah, there we go, guys. There's Twitch. There's Twitch. So what it does is it reads it for 5 seconds, and then it gets them. So I have an idea. So I need to somehow... Oh, God, we got to do multi-threading. You guys ready? Python multi-threading. How do I run... Simul... So we now have to do multi-threading, which is kind of scary. Oh, that's OBS, by the way, not the thing crashing. Everyone say thanks, OBS. Thanks, OBS. Ugh. Bro, stop. Like, stop. Like, what are you doing, dude? Stop. Stop. Don't freaking crash on me, dog. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't crash on me, dude. Okay, there we go. Frickin' stop. OBS. I'm watching it. The frickin' chat isn't breaking. It's literally OBS, like, hating me. OBS says no to multi-threading. It's like, no, stop, please. Bro, stop hating on me. I need to figure that out. Someone's got to help me with that. Bro went from Russia to LA. To my sister. Okay, so we want to run these in a multi-threaded fashion. So this hopefully won't be too difficult. I'm hoping. There's probably going to be problems. I'm waiting for it. So the reason is YouTube grabs everything since the last message, and then Twitch has to wait 5 seconds to collect them. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it that it grabs it. Maybe we'll make it that it prints the YouTube chat. I'd love to have them like intertwined, that it's like they're all throughout each other, you know, like Twitch and YouTube are mixed together. But I gotta think about that. The Matrix has you. Multi-threaded or async? This is gonna be multi-threaded. Wait, async is the same thing as multi-threaded. Asynchronous is just a term for things being asynchronous. Multi-threading is asynchronous. Non-multi-threading is synchronous. That's just a term. So multi-threading is asynchronous. You're doing them asynchronously, comma, at the same time. You see? So synchronous is non-multi-threaded. You're doing them in just one after the other. Where multi-threaded is simultaneously. You nerds think you're so smart, huh? We love it. We love it. So yeah, that's the difference, is we're going to be doing it asynchronously through multi-threading. So, yeah. OBS doesn't multi-thread. We're not doing multi-threading in OBS. We're doing it in my Python script. So let's see here. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out how to return items while multi-threading. Return values from threads. Ooh. Oh god, here we go. This is where things get a little complicated. All right, this is gonna be fun. Oh God, oh God. This is getting complicated. All right, here we go. So, we got YouTube messages, stream elements messages, Twitch messages. So there we go. We got them right there, ba-bam, 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 ba-bam. So what we're gonna do, we have to import threading, okay? Import threading for multi-threading capabilities. Share dictionary to store results, I see, okay. Oh, okay. So we have to create a, can we just do, well, we have Twitch recent messages, so we could run, so this is how it would be done. So we're going to comment this out, okay? We're going to do a thread, so we're going to say Twitch. Oh my God, we're doing it, guys. Everyone say Twitch thread. We're going to name it Twitch thread. Twitch thread equals threading.thread. Oh God. Oh God. So target equals Twitch tip dot get latest messages Twitch account names, comma, and then for arguments it sends to the recent Twitch messages. Oh, I see. I see what it's trying to do. Like that. Let's see how that works. And then, there we go. And then we can do this. So we're going to do Twitch thread dot start, and then we wait for it. So we're going to do Twitch thread dot join. And so instead, I mean, let's see how that does. Let's see if we're doing it multi-threaded now. It's probably going to immediately, I don't want YouTube. I don't want to do YouTube this second, okay? Don't even start with me. Don't. I don't want to hear it, YouTube. I don't want to authenticate with you. It takes me freaking 10 minutes. Okay, it's running. Let's see. It's not, I mean, there's no reason it needs to be multi-threaded. Oh, God. List object is not callable. What? 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 Oh. Well, it did. I don't know. List object is not callable. What does that even mean? What does that mean, dog? We're having a hiccup. Hello. The target should be a reference to the function you want to run in thread, not the results of the function call. It's not. a reference in the Twitch tip class. Twitch account names. Oh, I see, like that. But then how? What is this? This example function or acceptable results. Let me do join. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, well, let me turn this off. I need to get it. I need more information. To pass a function parameters as the target scenario, you should not call the function directly and say you should pass the function object itself as a target. So get latest messages, arguments. Okay, so they're doing that. Twitch account names. I see. Okay. Can't directly return values as your normal function. Use a shared data structure. Oh my lord. So start threads, append. Oh my lord. This is getting complicated, guys. This is getting complicated. Frame in. Get the results. So can we do recent Twitch messages equals Twitch thread dot result? Let's see what that does, and then let me print the results and then see what there is. All right, let's try that. Thread has no attribute results. Oh, because this is doing future objects, I see. So we might need to use this different formatting. Concurrent futures. So instead of this, so we can do Twitch thread equals executor. I see. With concurrent dot futures dot thread cool executor as executor. Here, let me comment these out and just restart. Alright, so we're gonna do executor dot submit, and it's gonna take the function which is Twitch tip dot get latest messages Twitch account names, and then result. Can we just print well, I guess we have to name it Twitch thread equals, and then we'll say Twitch thread dot, oh, I see they're doing result, Twitch result equals Twitch thread dot result, and then we can do Twitch result. Here, let me comment this out and this out and that and that. List not callable object. How's everyone doing? Twitch thread, Twitch account itself. No, I'm not. ChatGPT is gaslighting me. I see, so it's maybe saying this instead. Latest message, Twitch. Okay. Oh. Did it do it? Oh, snap. Is it doing it? Are we thread results colon space plus? I think it's working. Oh, didn't like it that time. Oh, what? Because it's a string? There you go. Thread results. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are multi-threading. At the moment, there's no reason, but what we can do is we could probably do this for YouTube as well. Well, let's set it up for hold on. Let's do it with Stream Elements, maybe. Stream Element tips next. Okay, I see. Awesome. All right. So this is what we can do. We're gonna grab this as well. So we got that thread, stream elements thread equals, and then we'll throw this in here. Got to do a little bit of different formatting, but we're gonna do this, that, and then I think these next. Here we go. And thread results, and then we're also gonna do this. Let's see what happens. I'm excited. Stream elements result, and then that. Is it gonna do both at the same time? How does that work? Result. Is it working? I think it's working. Let me turn off the Twitch one real quick so I can make sure that this is like working properly. So we're just gonna do Stream Elements tips right now. Cache returned. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm printing the wrong thing. No wonder I was a little confused by it. I was printing just the thing itself. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna print Twitch and Stream Elements thread at the same time. Let's see what happens. That is so cool. That is freaking awesome. So it's doing them. That is so crazy, man. That's so crazy. Can we do that? That's so wild. Do you see that? Can you guys? You guys can't really see it. It's printing both results of Stream Elements tip and Twitch at the exact same time. That's wild. That is so wild. Wow. That's really cool. So it grabbed, not only did it grab all the messages, but it grabbed, oh my god. Okay. Now for the big moment. Do we do YouTube now? You guys ready? Oh my god, this is insane. So we're gonna do YouTube thread equals executor dot submit YouTube dot here, I'll just grab get latest YouTube messages, comma latest YT message, comma YouTube accounts. Which, why is that commented out? I see. Okay, there you go. All right. Let's frickin' do it. Let's do it. This is going to be insane. We are multi-threading all of these. And then we're going to do YouTube result equals YouTube thread dot result. And then we are going to print this. YT results, Twitch results, and Stream Elements results. And we're going to do YouTube result. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? We are doing all 3 threads. There's 3 threads. This is the moment. YouTube, Stream Elements, and Twitch. The most historical moment. This is the biggest milestone of this project so far. You're getting to witness it right now. Are you guys ready? It'll probably fail, and that's okay. Hey, that's okay. All right, we're going to authenticate YouTube. It's going to ask. We're going to go onto YouTube, connect our main, continue. I'm like nervous. Why am I nervous? This is it, guys. This is it. YouTube Gaming. Continue. Okay, it's authenticating. It's doing them all. It's doing them all, I think. It's setting up the default messages for YouTube. And then I think it did it. I think that was it. I think that was freaking it. So it's going to be able to, and then look, there's all the, oh my God. Okay. 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 This could work. This could work. Oh my God. All right. So it's doing it. It has, I'm not seeing the Twitch result. Can people on Twitch, can you guys write like a lot, please? Can you guys write a bunch of messages? Write a bunch of messages in the Twitch chat. It's okay if you want to spam. There it is. There's the Twitch messages. That is insane. Oh my God, that's from both. That is YouTube and the Twitch function at the same time. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's printing both. It's printing YouTube and Twitch. Bam, simultaneously. Every time you see those big chunks, that's it saying, here's Twitch and YouTube. Here's Twitch and YouTube. Here's Twitch and YouTube. I am so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is insane. Okay, so we did it. We have freaking multi-threaded YouTube, Twitch, and Stream Elements. They are grabbing all the messages at the exact same time. Not one after the other. It is doing it simultaneously. If that isn't the coolest thing. Stream Elements, Restream, Botrix, $10 million. That's it right now, $10 million, okay? I'm being humble, I'm being reasonable. If you want this, it's $10 million, all right? Tomorrow it's going to be 11. So let's really, let's evaluate your options right now, okay? I'm just saying. Did someone say Facebook? What about your Facebook? I know, we got it. Listen, we'll get there. Obviously, Twitch and YouTube are the most important. So, so I know it's not printing to the chat yet, but if you saw the logs, it was working. So here's the cool thing, is now we have all the messages. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna now make it that it prints them, and no one does this. I think maybe Restream does. You see how it's almost like combining the chat, like. I don't know. I think there's still sections. I think it's grabbing from one and then the other and then the other and then the other. Like, I think it's going back and forth. Because you see how it's big. Oh, look, someone from X. Twitter working too. That is like the first X message I've seen. That's so funny. Can everyone on YouTube and Twitch just spam at the same time? I want to see if it's combining them or not. Like Restream. I just want to see if Restream does it. Yeah, this is a little suspicious. You see this? You see how it's big sections? Yeah, they're not. You can see how Restream goes back and forth. They keep getting both. You see how it's big sections of Twitch and then YouTube and then Twitch and then YouTube? So what we're going to do is we're going to mix them. We're going to mix them. You guys see that? There it is. It's visible. It's as visible as it can be. It goes back and forth between Twitch and YouTube. What we're going to do is we're going to have the messages mixed so it's a big happy family, right? So we have the results, okay? YouTube results, stream elements result, Twitch results. So and this is where I think we could maybe, I don't know if we can multi-thread it. I don't know how that would work. We could try to multi-thread it. I want to make it, okay, let me look at this up real quick. Okay. Jaden is the best coder on God. Thank you, Fade. I know. Elements across all. All right. So let's get the results of trying to think about this. Just the frequency on length. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to create a function, I'm going to say, that maybe returns, well, not a function. Haha, what is this? What is this, Lua? Anyways, we're going to create a definition, excuse me, that's going to combine all the messages from all of them and kind of like mix them together, right? So we're trying to read, so we'll do let's call it combine messages, okay? And it's gonna take message arrays, I guess, you know, whatever. Except now we won't be able to differentiate how we're supposed to print them. I need to think about this. Let's just do this for now. What if we print them? What if we print them to the chat multi-threaded? I wonder how that would work. You know? We should try that. We could try. So why is it not like that? Because of that little stinker. So all right, let me really think about this. Yeah, we could do a definition, so display Twitch messages, and then it takes, I guess, the messages, and then we're gonna say chat updater dot update chat box, and then this is where we have to do this for message in messages. Do that, and then I need to remember Yeah, here we go. Just do this. Hello, who is that? Hello, who is it? Okay. So we're going to do that. Display Twitch messages. And then we'll have it like... and then we have it do time.sleep based on the amount of messages. So what do? We do... time divisibility equals, if it's every 5 seconds, we do what? 5 divided by messages, the count, the length, sorry. Is it, to get the divisibility, it's 5, to see how many can go in within 5 seconds, it's 5 divided by the messages, right? Or messages divided by 5, no, 5 divided by messages. So now we have that, and then we do time.sleep, the divisibility of that. So now we're going to do YouTube messages, which we'll, we got here as well. And so for YouTube, we have a little bit of a different formatting. If, oh man. Turn recent messages. We could just grab all of this. Why do you need message counter? Oh, that's a spam preventative. Okay, well we could take all of that, I think. Let's copy it, and then do we actually mess with last messages, temp message? No, good. So we'll copy this, comment it out, go to Bimbot, do it here. So we're just gonna make some room real quick. Messages. So is text. We're going to need both of those. We're going to bring them over to Bimbot. Is, yeah, and we could actually use this. Oh shoot. So let's do this. I don't actually want to do all this, so if is text, let's just do this instead. And then for this as well. I don't want to add a bunch of functions to this. And then stream to YouTube. We could probably try to get this to work. So chat, Bimbot. This could probably work universally across both chats. So the message, previous message, yeah, that will work. And then recent messages, it's messages now. And then we do this if, and then we don't have the TTS in here, so import TTS. There we go. Message count div. Right, the divisibility, right? So we're going to do time div up here. Time div. There we go. So that's the YouTube chat to display. We'll see how well that works. Display YouTube messages. This is the same here. That should be pretty easy. And then the amount. Okay. So there we go. Display Twitch messages, display YouTube messages. And then let's do it really quick for stream elements. Display stream element messages. And then stream element messages we have set to do this. Return stream elements. It's going to return the latest ID. So we don't want to, we're going to do a comma. We're going to append a new, we're going to do this. Recent donations equals just nothing. And then we're not going to do the text to speech any longer at all because we're going to do it from our main function. And then we're going to do recent donations dot append. And then we'll do in its own item. Well, I guess it does it in its own item this way. What the heck was that? YouTube? We'll do all of this. Donation. New donation. Well, we can actually just send that in, I think. So we don't have to print. This is actually almost redundant now. And we can just do this. So we'll just have it send in the new donations, go over here to Bimbot. New donations. And then I guess it would just be the second result. I don't know. So, alright, we'll try this. You guys ready? I don't know if this is going to really work that well. We'll see. So we're going to do... We'll do Twitch first. No, we'll do Twitch first. So we're going to do all this. I guess it's the same thing. It can be all of these. I guess we're doing YouTube first. We're going to do display YouTube messages. And then it's going to be the YouTube result. I don't know. 101. And then Twitch is going to be display Twitch messages, comma. I guess just Twitch result there. This is not going to work. This is not going to work at all. It's so great how it's not going to work. And then display stream element messages. Stream element result. Okay. So there we go. And then display. We'll just add this so I can see it in the logs as well. But let's see. Let's see how there's so much I'm probably not even thinking about that, yeah, this isn't going to work the first time. Most definitely not. Most definitely not. Alright, here we go. Authenticate. Authenticate, authenticate. All right, here we go. Let's see it crash. Here we go. So it didn't like division by 0. That's okay. We're fine with that. Or 0. I mean, is that really? Here, we'll just do that. Or 5. Or 1. How about 1? Let's see how that does. That's the only sucky thing, is I have to keep re-authenticating. Didn't we add what's his name's chat to this? Yeah, I think Twitch is like grabbing multiple people's. Not even just our own channel. Division by 0. Okay, well I just said or 1, but you don't like that? Bro, that's okay. You don't have to... God. It's okay to be 0. It's okay. It's okay, bro. Should I do 1 before it? Like 1 or... Like, that's stupid. Okay, just do this. How about... Try colon... Accept time div equals 1. We could do a definition calc time div and then the count and then return. Oh, that's when we could actually send it there and then just do oh, I guess you can just say messages and then return that or return that. There. So instead of all this, you can just do time div equals calculate calc time div messages. There we go. So now we can just use that for all of them. There we go. Coolio. No longer dividing by 0, hopefully. Everyone say divide by 0. Divide by 0. Jaden Williams Gaming. Someone just said it. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. And what was this on? This was on display stream elements. Sure. Okay. So what was the result of stream? So it actually didn't get the second one, which is strange. So if we go to this display stream, go to definition. No. That's not what I meant. I meant this. It returns both. So I don't really get that. Can we do it in, how about parentheses? How about that? Well, I suppose it's not getting the second thing. I don't know. What if we put it in like an array? Ba-bam. That would work, wouldn't it? I'm gonna disable YouTube for a second. Because I don't want to freaking authenticate 35 times. Bimbot. Turn off YouTube. YouTube. There's so much I have to turn on. I don't know. It might not be worth it. Okay, we'll keep it on. Gosh. You're so Phantom Tax. What the hell does that even mean? What's wrong with this generation, man? Only in Ohio Sigma. Show us your setup? No. How about that? No. Does that hurt you? Does that affect you? Does that deeply affect you? Huh. Result. And then what if we send in the second one? There we go. Ka-chow. Ka-chigga. 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 I'm gonna assume it's because it just didn't have results or something, which is totally fair. I mean, maybe that's why. Alright, let's frickin' run it again. Can I go to up here, please? And like, for one, let's get rid of the other Twitch account. And then go to YouTube. Is that what we're doing? We sent it in, so YouTube. Get YouTube. Okay, so let me go to Bimbot. Yeah, just one. We're going to authenticate only my main channel for now. Okay? My main YouTube. Just to cut the time in half and how long it takes to frickin' do this. Okay. Looking good there. Look. Oh. Did it do it? Oh my god. Oh. It definitely doesn't like stream elements. So what is it thinking? Print message first part. What's it thinking it is? I'm curious. I'm curious. 1-800-CURIOUS. So we'll have it display the first part of the message so I can really see what it thinks it is. Alright, here we go. I'm curious. PC spec reveals we got a 3070 RTX 3070. We got an i9 processor. We got 64 gigs of RAM. So what did you print? I want to know. It printed 5. Why would it print 5? Why would it print 5? What are you sending in here, you stinker? You're sending in the stream elements results, right? The second part, which is all the messages. Because if we go to this, get latest donations, go to that. The second part is the new donations. New donation. Alright, well. I mean, is it because there is none? I don't understand. Let me go to it again. Go to definition. Is there any other return? No. We want this. Go to definition. Is there any other returns? Oh, I see. I saw it right here. The bam. I see. That's where it was. I was wondering if there's another return. If last ID equals that, then we're going to say I guess maybe null. We could do that. That would work. And then we could do this or this. There we go. So what was happening is I'm sending in 2 values, and sometimes I was only returning 1. Or I'm supposed to be returning 2 values, and sometimes I was just only returning 1 of them. So that's why Stream Elements was having hiccups. But I'm telling you, I think YouTube and Twitch were working. All right, let's see here. Let's see. It got none. What the heck does that even mean? What the heck do you even mean by that? Oh, did it do something? Wow. Latest message. It's like working. How crazy. I'm sorry. We need a Jaden Pog emote. It's saying that the results are none, which is strange. You know, it's kind of strange. A little strange, if you ask me. A little strange. Little odd. Curious. 1-800-CURIOUS. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I keep doing that. Okay, we're gonna run it again. So we got Twitch results. And then none. But then it somehow displays it. Oh, actually, that makes sense because it's not returning anything. Yeah, I shouldn't even be expecting it to return anything at all. This is just displaying it, which I think it's working, which is like crazy. Repent. Thank you, Comfy. Thank you. So there we go. I think it's actually working. I need to make something that like puts the YouTube image at the beginning or something like that. Can we do that real quick? You guys want to help me make a, I need to make it that I can see where these icons are coming from. Let's do chat updater. And then we're going to say chat update box. We're going to have it give us an icon. Icon name. All right, you guys ready? We're going to see how this looks in the chat. So we're going to go to our HTML thing. And we're going to try to add a little image. So we're going to do image blah blah here. What is it? Let me just ask ChatGPT real quick. Let me grab the YouTube icon. YouTube icon. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm serious. I'm sorry. Let me grab this random image address that when one day it fails, it will just stop working. We don't care about a freaking alternate thing, okay? 100 px by 100 px. You guys ready for this? Let's see what this looks like. I don't even know who... oh god. I need a better... Just give me the icon. Give me the icon. Doesn't let you freaking right click it. Were you stupid? Copy image address. Bam. Oh, that's a tad large. Would you agree? I would say the YouTube thing is a tad large. It's a tad large. 10 px by 10 px. And also let's make it that images like have the shadow and stuff. Would it be a box shadow, I guess? I suppose. Okay, that's a little bit too small, right? So what should we do? 20? 20 px by 20 px? Is that good? You guys think that's too large? That YouTube icon right here. Let me put it next to the person's name for one. Can I do it like that? Hey, there we go. Okay. And then a space. There we go. A little bit too big though, right? Tad too big for my liking. You know what I'm saying. How do I make it that it's centered? Align. Center? Is that gonna do it? No. Jan, I didn't know you were a coder. Yeah, I'm a software engineer. I went to school for software engineering, and it's been fun. It's been very, very fun. Text align. It's saying. Well, we don't want to do text align. It's like it's almost like vertical align middle. There we go. There we go. You guys see it now? So now it's in the center. So how are we feeling about it? Should I give it a little bit of padding or something? Padding 2px? Ooh, not the shadow. Not the shadow. I guess it would be margin. Margin 2px. Is that good? Do we like that? I don't like... How do I make the... How do I make... How do I... The shadow work on a PNG image? Do we like that? No one's giving me like advice on this. No one's saying they like it. And it's making me really sad. Like very, very sad. Extremely sad. Is there any other kind of shadow? Shadow. What if I do text shadow? What would happen? It just goes away. It's like it has to be box shadow. Let me look it up on... Why are we on freaking Google? Who uses Google? DuckDuckGo, baby. Image, PNG, shadow, HTML. Oh, a drop shadow. So they're doing a... So there's this thing, webcam. I'm just going to copy this. We're going to try this real quick. That looks terrible. But let's get it to our settings. Okay. Can I just copy this? That didn't work. It's not making the shadow on the YouTube. Should I make it bigger so we can see it a little bit? Just for now. So remember 20, guys. Remember 20. There you go. Made it a little bit bigger for now. So what is that, Tim? I see. 1.5. Yeah, so what do we want? I mean, that's literally saying it's the same amount, which is kind of weird. And then it just breaks if I do that, so... it doesn't look any, like, darker. Three. 1.5. 2. That's good, right? Do we like that? And then if I make it small again. This is going to be insane, guys. This is going to be game changing. We're going to add the... So there's the Twitch, okay? Oh god, this is going to be tough. So what I need to do is I need to copy this. Copy this. We're going to go to Bimbot. We're going to go to Chat Updater. It takes an icon name. It's going to take an icon path, okay? And then in here, we're going to do this, space, icon path. I think this is it. And we're going to copy that, and we're going to do it right here as well. So there we go. They all... Okay, so every single one takes a path. Should I just use my face for now? Can we get a Florida man icon, please? Can someone on my gaming channel... Can I do it? Can I write a message? Do I have Florida man in here? I'm the creator. You don't let me use my own emojis, YouTube? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm just gonna do this. Copy image address. I'm just stealing it. Alright, you guys ready for this? So we're gonna do Bimbot. Display message is gonna be this, ready? So, it takes another parameter, a link, but that's not it. Copy image address. That's not it. Open image in new tab. So here it is. Copy image address. Boop. Okay, that didn't work. Control-Shift-C. Okay. Well, that's not. Let's just use my freaking profile picture. Or screw it, we can just do this right. So Stream Elements, let's go to their website. Stream Elements tip, just copy image address. I just took the Stream Elements link. All right. And so now we got that. Same thing for Twitch, and then the Twitch icon. Did I close out the music? I'm sorry, guys. So now we got to get the Twitch icon. This is going to be insane. I hope you guys understand what we're doing right now. We're gonna add profile. We're gonna add icons from each thing. Twitch icon. I'd prefer it with. There we go. Copy image address. Twitch. Bam. That's very long. I don't know if it needs to be that large. Just give me a frickin' copy image address. Here we go. Paste. That's still not an image. Please, please just give me something, please, 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 please. Just open it. Oh my god. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. Copy image address. Bam. There we go. Okay. We got Twitch, now YouTube. Where's my YouTube game, gang? YouTube image icon. Well, I guess I can use the one we were just using, which is this. Bam. This is going to be so exciting. Are you guys ready? So, update. Bam. Bam. Okay. Okay. YouTube, Twitch, and Streamlabs all have icons. Are you guys ready? This is insane. I'm just saying. This is going to be insane. Are you ready? If this works, you guys are all going to have icons next to your names from what platform you're from. So this will help us really differentiate where things are coming from. Okay, here we go. Authenticating. And then we could actually, technically, I think, have a gaming profile icon if we wanted. Okay. Let's see. Hello? We added it, didn't we? Chat updater. You're adding an image. I don't understand. I no understand. I no understand. Did we not save? Did we not? Did we did no save? No save? In no save? I know understand. I know understand. I know understand. You understand? I know understand. It add image here. It add image it here. Oh, is that if? Oh, that's for a donation as well. So we actually didn't add it for non. I see. That's totally reasonable. Okay, so it's because it was only working for donations. Haha. But there we go. Here we go. You guys ready? Let's see. Jaden, authenticate. Authenticate. Continue. Continue. Might have icons. Might be getting icons in like frickin' 10 seconds. Oh, Twitch icon. We got a Twitch icon. Sin was the first Jakey coming in hot with a Twitch icon. Let's see if it gets YouTube this second time around. Uh-oh. This might help us figure out. Oh, there's YouTube. Oh my gosh. Bateman on YouTube. That's so cool. That's so freaking awesome. Obviously we got to tweak it a little bit, but and it's quite slow at the moment. Do I have a YouTube icon? You do, local idiot. By the way, it's only working on main right now. I disabled second the gaming channel. Guys,
Some bear of drama. I am jobless liberal.
I love Barotrauma. Thank you, Dips. Fun Dips. And look, there it is working on donations, too. That is freaking awesome, guys. We got YouTube, baby. Oh my god, I think I'm using the same icon as Restream. For YouTube, at least. Does someone want to try Stream Elements? Does anyone want to try Stream Elements donation? And it should show a Stream Elements icon. I would love to see it, if we can. It'd mean a lot. We actually haven't tested the Stream Elements multi-threading yet. I don't even know if it works. So if anyone wants to send a donation through Stream Elements, that is the third and final system that's being used. Say my name. Fun Dips. Thank you, Fun Dips. Can we, I'm just gonna ban Jakey. Or mute Jakey. I'll do that. Jakey, I'll put you in timeout. There you go. You're being bad. You're being rude. That is freaking awesome, guys. We got freaking icons now. We can see where it's coming from. So one thing I noticed it doesn't really seem like it's doing is doesn't seem like it's doing the sleep thing like I told it. So let me ask it real quick. Print. Five divided, so like 5, let me just do this, like 5 divided by 20 would be, what, 0.2, okay, 0.25. Oh, did someone send something? I just got it, I think, on my phone. Yes, let's see it work, please. Please. Maybe it might take a second or something. Thank you, Scott. Let's see if it pops up. Oh no. It's looking like it's not working. There's so much going on now. It's hard to tell where things are coming from. Thread. Yeah, it's almost like it didn't get What about the previous time? Thread. SE results, no. Okay, so alright, well, how about this? Let's do this again. Thank you to Scott and Agate for the donations. I greatly appreciate it. We're figuring it out. We're figuring it out. How is Jakey? What's he doing that on? He's doing it on Twitch, but it's still not. It's like he's well, I'll just ban him. It's so funny. It's you know what it is? It's like the Twitch thing still detects him, which is like hilarious. Jakey 7950. There we go. That was easy. He's like displaying his own username. Okay. Is it? It's repeating, I see. I gotcha. Okay. Shoot. Well, now I feel bad for Jakey. Yeah, so I guess it is maybe repeating messages. Let's figure that out. So when it gets done, when it's done with that, it should always be retrieving the new messages, which is the weird part. Is it maybe because it's not set? Oh, it's maybe not setting the new stuff. YouTube thread. So this is where we could say, oh, I bet I know why. So latest YT message equals, let me go to, yeah, it's because we're not setting things. I understand. So for instance, latest YT message should be probably index 1. Yeah, so we're going to go back and do YouTube result 1. No, sorry, 0, because it's the first index. Twitch is interesting because it shouldn't be grabbing old Twitch messages if that's what it's doing. It doesn't really make much sense. I don't know how it's holding on to messages, because there's nothing it needs to hold on to. Recent Twitch messages. Yeah, because we're not even using this anymore.
Sub from Brazil.
What? What?
Sub from Brazil.
Sup from Brazil. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, there we go. Latest stream elements tip ID equals stream elements result 0. Right, because if we go to this, latest ID, new donations, yep. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, authenticating main account. Continue. Continue. All right, we're running it again. It's broken. We're working on it, folks. We're working on it. Let's maybe try this potentially. YouTube display thread. See if it's maybe that. Okay. It's authenticating again. Bless you. Thank you. It could be that they're overwriting each other. Whoops. Sorry, guys. I wonder if they're maybe overwriting each other. So, Bimbot is delayed. So, like, let's see if we see that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, Fundips, Baines. I wonder why, I'm trying to figure out why it doesn't seem like there's really a message delay at all. So like this, like now we're gonna brute force a 1 second message delay. Do beaming drive. No, I'm good. Let me not have the delay now. Rerun. So Leon just said swag. Let's see here. Okay, well, like I said last time, what we could do... So I'm going to take a different approach real quick. I don't think about this. Hold on. So we're getting the results. What's it printing? How do I open up the logs again? I'd like if I wanted to see view. Here we go. Like, why do I have to be running it for it to show? Unless it's because I had the HTML page open, potentially. We'll see. Who made this chicken? It doesn't sleep, which I think is the big issue. So Twitch results, donate 2 donations in YouTube video. And then it gets it again. I wonder if there's a way, can we, let me check something. Yeah, so I think I want to try this. I want to do... display. Do that. And then we could do this. And I think to prevent garbage collection... Here are the results. We could do YouTube result equals none. Twitch result equals none. Stream elements result equals none. I think it's something to do with it. I don't know. It's like I don't know. I don't know how to put it. Result directing. Seeing if I'm not like waiting for them to all finish properly or something. Bow, bow, bow. Boom, boom, boom. Mm-hmm. So I assume you guys aren't spamming. I assume. Oh, Bimbot. Bimbot decided to, well, it was OBS, as always. So, like, there's Muhammad. And it only goes up 1 or 2. There you go. It looks like it's... But then, like, where's YouTube? YouTube ain't there. YouTube ain't there. Well, how many people... I mean, it could easily be, like, we don't got a lot of people watching or commenting, but maybe that's not it. I mean, it is true. There's not a lot of comments on YouTube. So it just saw, like... So there's Musa. Does it say his thing? It got Omegas. Godlike. Like, where's yours? I don't even see that. When is the next one? What do you mean? This is very difficult. Very, very difficult. So that's Twitch. YT results. Sorry, guys. Can we have a lot of spam on YouTube, please? The main channel. Pretty please. It's almost like, let me go to latest Twitch. Why does it think? I am curious. Length of recent messages. Oh, I bet I get it. I bet I get it. I don't know if this is gonna fix it. Equals that, so we do this. I think I just figured out why Twitch was repeating, but I don't know if this is gonna be the fix for it. This could potentially break it, actually. So there's YouTube. Guys, try not to repeat the same word. Is the mustache real? The mustache, my mustache right now is real. Little peach fuzz that I got. Yeah, now Twitch isn't working. Is he spamming the same thing over and over again, or what's that on? Like, I don't even see his message. So is it just repeating crap? Oh my god, freaking OBS, I swear, dog. We could do this. We could do... How about this? What if we do it like that? Let's see what happens. Twitch, how do I make it? I guess we could actually rename it, couldn't we? No, global variable. We have to do, yeah, has to be global. So, what we need to do is we actually are going to make this global. And then there we go. Oh, I think you have to do this and then oh, I see. I gotcha. Okay, so we're going to do global and then this. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to, here, let me turn that off for a second. And so down here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say global recent messages. Bam, there. That should fix it. You can't do that? Yeah, okay. Okay, okay. All right. Let's see how that does. So now we're going to go to chat updater. Bimbot, actually. Run. Frickin' OBS, man. Everyone say we love OBS. Always making me have to refresh my thing. Hopefully we just fixed the Twitch repeating thing. Let's give it like a couple runs over. There, it looks like it maybe got one from Twitch. It definitely got one from Twitch. Thread YT results. Hello. Thread Twitch results. What's up? Is it potentially because we don't got a lot going on? So like, the latest thing is, oh no, my boots. Good on Twitch. I see a few messages from Twitch. There it is. Yep, Shadow. That's the latest one. And then it does a lot. And then it's like refreshing. There it is. That's looking good. Okay, I need YouTube. This is it. This might be it, guys. All right, let's take a look. Let's do a side by side, right? Let's go to YouTube main. All right, it's not. I don't have it up on the YouTube gaming right now, guys. Twitch. YouTube main. Okay. All right. Freaking OBS, man. You know, like I said, this isn't the chat breaking. It's literally OBS turning it off. So we got wee woo wee woo wee woo. Right, that was the last Twitch message. And then the last one on YouTube was Gold saying Bean 1. So it looks like YouTube's repeating. Is that what it is? YouTube is... What's this on? This is my main YouTube. Like, where are these messages? You have to evolve your hair. Get it back in a couple more. What are you guys saying? Oh, that was good. It's almost like it's ahead of the YouTube chat on screen. No, it's doing something weird. So we are getting latest YT message. We are assigning it right there. Unless we're not. So like, let's check something. Sent it right here. So latest YT results. Huh. Latest YT message. It's almost like the YouTube result isn't coming back properly. All right, guys. I'll get back to this. I'm gonna go take a break. I'm gonna go shopping and stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We're getting really close. I think Twitch is pretty much working now when it comes to like keeping up. So that's awesome. And YouTube, we just gotta figure out. I think it's repeating stuff from old information. But I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. And I will see you guys next time. All right.